Hey YouTube, tonight I'm going to be working on the Ducati 749 Dark. I'm going to change from these gold, I don't know, was it Panzo levers to the ASV C5s levers. These are the unbreakable ones. So these will look nicer. The gold does not match this bike. I don't want anybody to put it on. So what we have to do is there's a little E-clip under here that we're going to have to pull out. It's right down there. And then pop up this portion of the rod, and that should let the old lever go. So that's what I'm going to do first. Clip off the bottom, and now you got to try to push this up somehow. I'm going to put something in there to push it up. Push a little pin in there, or pick in there. See if I can't get it up. Got it mostly up. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. Now, this rod is going to go into where the brake goes in, into the basically the master cylinder, I guess. So this is going to slide in here, supposedly. It's supposed to. Alright, shut that off. Lined it up, put the pin in. I don't have the E-clip on it yet, but I was just adjusting it and making sure the brake light works. So, brake light works when I touch it, and it's every time I let it go, it's went off, so I know that's okay. So all I gotta do is put the little E-clip back on, and this side's done. I think it looks a lot nicer than these Panzo. I guess that's how you say it, Panzo. I don't like these levers at all, but supposedly they're kind of expensive, so I don't know, but I think they look better on the bike. Flip back on. Go under here and see. Can you see it? It's right here. Back on. It's fully done. The adjustable, so that's the brake side. Now I got to move the bike and get to the clutch side. On the clutch side, and I pulled the E-clip down here, and I've started to push the lever up here. Now you can see here there's a I don't know, like electric thing that basically when you pull it in, it tells that the clutch is in. So you gotta make sure that's done with the new one as well. So I'm just gonna try to push these up again and get that pin out. Shut it off. Clutch side done. As you can see, we got the E-clip down here, and as we pull it, you can see that that is catching the clutch safety switch, and we know that's going, so we won't have any problem. A lot easier than the other levers to pull in, not squeaking. The other levers were squeaking as I was moving them. So looks good. I'm going to set it to where I like it, but that's ASV levers, clutch and brake on a Ducati 749. As always, thanks for watching YouTube. Like and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks.
And go follow us on our Instagram at Greg_Dibsy.